Hello, welcome to Mrs. Lovett's meat pie shop on Fleet Street. Have you ever wanted to know what makes the pies on Fleet Street so sweet and tender? It's putting the meat through the grinder 3 times. And today we're going to be showing you how to make the worst pies in London.
Oh, they're not so bad.
Yeah, they are. Put it on!
Crunchy base layer.
Get it in your pie.
The meat.
Alright, so you need a grinder to grind your delicious meat. Toby, you found my grinder?
Ma'am, there's no handle.
If you don't have a grinder, just use your hands like this. You add your meat.
Spirits.
Now, have a spirit of your choice. Makes it all nice and sweet. If we have, let's see.
Oh, just a little bit of seasoning.
I mean, like a little smoky, add a little seasoning from your ashtray. Swirl up. Did you just drink the wine?
No, ma'am. We just need to bake it.
Let's see, there's got to be some way to do it in here. Let's see. I wonder. No. Well, have a look, boy. How are we going to bake this damn pie?
Oh. Ma'am, don't we need to bake them? Should we order the oven?
God, that's good. What, love? What?
Don't we need to bake them?
Yes. Oh, but we can't go to the bake oven. Let me see.
It's working!
It's working, yeah, just give it a bit hot. Get hot.
It's working, ma'am.
Alright. Oh!
Oh, Mrs. Lovett! Oh, we gotta get one of them.
Toby, get over here. Come on. Elizabeth, what are you doing? Hurry up, hurry up. Come on. Thank you for watching. We just made the worst pies in London. And for more tips and tricks, come over to Fir Acres Theatre November 2nd for the opening night of Sweeney Todd.
It's not that bad.